Hi, what's up YouTube? This is Mr. Zuni back at with another video, and we're gonna get straight into it. I got a package from Patrick's. I guess you know about their M3 and M2, their hair products, and this is kind of going on a different route. They have the skincare line as well as like body wash and stuff like that. So I'm gonna get like straight into it. I have to figure out how to open this box. DHL, it was sitting for like almost a week, and I contacted him today again and saying, hey, can you kind of send my package over here? What's going on? I haven't, knock on wood, haven't had issues with any delivery because I usually buy all my stuff online, and I haven't had any issues with any delivery like that or like lost package or anything like that. So I was kind of getting worried. All right, I think I got it open. So yeah, so I pretty much got the whole range of products, and I just want to do a quick unboxing and show you guys what it looks like. I'll have a more in-depth process of what I bought. So I got it from the Rake, and packaging is pretty nice. As you can see, everything is bubble wrapped, and I think that's it. So I got the moisturizer. This is one I'm really excited for, is the moisturizer. I really like the packaging. I can already tell like the packaging on this is really different than normal Patrick's branding as well as packaging. So let's open this one up first. So here we go. We have the AM moisturizer. So this is supposed to be a really good moisturizer for your skin. As you can see right there, those are the ingredients. Main ingredients are the green tea, the hyaluronic acid, and I think the what was the other? Creatine and coffee, omega-3 are like the big ones. But yeah, let's open this real quick. Kind of wanted to simplify my skincare and kind of have like a few steps instead of having a lot of steps. But there you go. You can see the moisturizer right there. AM. This is really, really nice packaging. Like I kind of want to just do an unboxing, just show you guys the packaging as well, all the way around. There it goes. And let's see it together. I was wondering what this is. I saw this on the website. I'm assuming, oh, it looks like a card. Okay, open up the card. But that is the Patrick's M3 anti-aging moisturizer. Like I said, I wanted it like all in one, like hydrating, anti-aging, great ingredients in here, and just something simple I can just use. This is really, really nice. It's a 50 milliliter. So this is like not that much compared to like other brands, but maybe a little goes a long way. Let's take a look. Okay, so this has the ingredients, I guess, list. So it's omega-3, 6, and 9. Okay, so here it goes. So it's a green tea, like I said, and all the other benefits, I guess. If you guys want to kind of read that. I probably have it more in depth. I'll have that because I don't want to waste time. Just kind of want to show you guys everything. But the unboxing, the boxes are really, really nice. There you go. AM moisturizer right there. Put that here. There's the AM moisturizer. Kind of right there. And I'm going to open up the eye balm. The eye balm is the next one I'm really looking forward to. So a little bit different packaging from there to there. A little more shiny, a little more matte. It's kind of cool. So this is the eye balm EB1. So like I said, another anti-aging, just great ingredients. We'll see how the dark circles, anti-circle, we'll see how that works. This is more of a different type of balm. It's more like a lip balm type thing application wise. Another card there. So this is more of a stick. So as you can see right there, getting out the hot truck. So as you can see right there, maybe try to get focus on there. maybe not. Probably the best I can do right there. But yeah, it's seems like it's pretty solid. It screws on, so that's cool. So there is number 2. And let's get into the face scrub. This is another one I was looking at. Really, really excited to get. This one has crushed diamonds in here. Kind of odd, kind of weird, but the other ingredients look promising as well. So there's a face scrub, FS1 face scrub, as you can see, the anti-aging. This is kind of like a 2-in-1 with a volcanic sand and crushed diamonds, like I said. This is kind of like a 2-in-1. It's kind of like a scrub slash kind of like a mask. And there you go. There's a scrub, as you can see, coming out right there. So I'm excited to use this for sure. And there is the packaging right there. Really nice. Really just minimalistic. I'll show you the ingredients real quick. There you go. You want to pause that. There you go. And last up, I wanted to really, I guess I'm excited for everything, but another exciting package right here is the body wash. I've been in search of the perfect body wash, and it just seemed like this one could be it. So I hope so. Like I said, I'm going to have a test on all these products. I also got in Patrick's hair care as well. That will be a separate video, probably after this one. And I'm going to basically have the whole Patrick's line. You can see right there. Wash away dirt. And, oh, this is really, really nice. As you can see, whoops. As you can see right there, it's a lot bigger than the rest. So you have this one right here. This is a really nice packaging. I give them like a 10 out of 10 for this. I love, my favorite is like these two. I like the black AM one and then this one right here.
I'm having trouble connecting to the internet.
Basically, my Google's going crazy.
Take a look at the help section in your Alexa app.
But let's check this out. Yeah, it's more like a foam. Like you just nozzle it and you spray it. This one smells really good. Bergamot, I believe, is a main scent on this one. So this helps with like blackheads, whiteheads, cleaning your skin, hydrating your skin. As you can see, as you can see right there, there's the 3 ingredients, the main ingredients for the smell. But yeah, this is a very clean packaging. Like, I really like this a lot. The hair products that come in this as well, but the ones I got, they come in the other one. So there you go, guys. Quick unboxing of Patrick's line, and I'll give an in-depth review on it once I get into like a couple days in, a week in, a month in, and show you guys how I like it and what I think about everything. But this is really, really cool. Super happy to get this. Like I said, it's kind of like a simple routine. This is going to be the AM. Do this 2 times a week. This will be I'll probably put this on at night. Maybe I'll do it in the day. It depends. And yeah, I have my own moisturizer cleanser. So I have that. I also want to try it, but I guess it didn't come in my package. I'll have to double check on why the cleanser didn't come in. But yeah, so far so good. I really, really like the whole packaging. And now it's just trying to test them out. And I think it's going to be super cool. So if you guys like this, rate, comment, subscribe. And if there's any specific one you have questions on, hit me up, comment section below, and I'll answer you guys in. Probably be faster, like answer you guys. And if you guys want more questions, or if you have more questions on the next video, like when I do an in-depth review on the body wash, the AM, that I'll have questions I can answer in the video as well. I'll go more in depth. But yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.